Okay, this is meteorologist Chris Smith here with an update on what's going on weather-wise across the Panhandle here on this Monday morning. We have a north to northeasterly wind over there in Destin, more of an easterly wind over into Panama City Beach, but you can definitely see the gray skies, fairly flat conditions out there on the Gulf, at least near shore, looking pretty nice. As a matter of fact, maybe not sunny, but the water is looking absolutely gorgeous here on this Monday morning. Let's talk about rainfall. We do have some showers. This is as of 9:30 over towards Gulf County, Southern Liberty County, a little bit of Franklin County. These are showers are moving on out. We did see some nice rainfall totals over the past 24 hours. At my house, I ended up with about a ½ inch of rainfall, but you can see South Walton definitely getting the bulk of the rainfall. Everywhere else was just kind of in the hundredths of an inch of rain, not anything that's going to quench your thirst, if you will. Winter storm system developing out across parts of the Midwest. That will move up into the Great Lakes and Northeast, so we'll keep an eye on that. The southern part of that system, though, will bring us showers and thunderstorms later tonight into early on Tuesday morning. You can see the activity out there towards Texas. That's what's going to be sliding across the Gulf Coast. And you see the Storm Prediction Centers added a marginal risk of severe weather across our area, basically across the western half of the Panhandle, Pensacola, Destin, Niceville, Panama City, just south of Mariana. But for the most part, most of our area has a small risk of severe weather. You see that tornado threat at about a 2% chance, a 5% chance of wind damage. That's within 25 miles of where you are. So to give you an idea, that means for a tornado, there's a 2% chance within 25 miles of where you are of seeing a tornado. As we continue into your Tuesday morning, this will be very briefly across our area, but it should exit very quickly. So this is primarily late tonight, early Tuesday morning. As you see, again, a small tornado threat and wind threat 5%. Again, early on your Tuesday morning. There's the colder weather back to the west across Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. We're holding on to 50s, at least right now. Dry air mass in place, the deeper moisture down across the peninsula. But I want you to watch something. You see 54 up into Holmes County, 56 over into Niceville, dew point temperatures into the low to mid 50s. So fairly dry right now. Winds are blowing 5 to 10 miles an hour, higher out over across our coastal waters. But here's what I want you to pay attention to. You see that northeasterly wind right now. Notice what happens as we move over the course of the day. It turns east and eventually southeast. So that starts to bring that moisture back across our region. And the winds also begin to pick up. As a matter of fact, those winds are going to start howling across our area. 10, 15 to 20 miles an hour overnight tonight into your Tuesday morning. And then quickly Tuesday morning, those winds turn out of the northwest, and it's that drier, cooler air mass that returns for Tuesday and on into your Wednesday. So over the course of the day, most of the rainfall should be fairly light across our region. You can see the shower and thunderstorm activity moving west to east as we head through the evening and overnight hours. And again, some of these storms have the potential to be on the stronger side as they push to the east. Now, by sunrise on Tuesday morning, the rainfall for the most part is gone. Cloud cover lingers, but as we move over the course of the day, we should see that cloud cover begin to exit. So rainfall totals, well, we're hoping for at least a ½ inch to an inch of rainfall, and then we have another rain event later this week, Friday into Saturday, that we're hoping to at least get maybe another inch of rainfall. So potentially some beneficial rain chances coming up. Temperatures for the rest of today, mostly cloudy skies, but again, rain showers fairly spotty. The better rain chances coming in during the overnight hours tonight. High temperatures today, 60s, maybe 70 if you're lucky. Low temperatures tonight, 50s and 60s across our region. But you can see that leading edge of the colder air over towards Crestview and Pensacola, and that will move in over the course of the day on Tuesday. And so Pensacola Tuesday may be in the low 60s, but Appalachia is going to be up into the 70s. Meanwhile, temperatures, look at this, Wednesday morning, 30s inland, 40s along the coastline. So again, up across the I-10 corridor, some folks could be flirting with freezing. Here's that 7-day forecast. Again, most of today, just some spotty light stuff. The bulk of this is going to be overnight, early Tuesday morning. Most of Tuesday ends up okay. I think sunshine by the afternoon, and then you see that cooler weather for Wednesday into Thursday, and then here comes your next chance of rainfall Friday into Saturday. Y'all have a wonderful Monday here as we get back to the grind, work and school, and we'll keep an eye on those storms for you as we head through the night tonight. Don't forget Panhandle Weather Live tonight at 6 o'clock. We hope to see you then.